welcome back to our channel. As you can see, I've gotten a haircut since filming. I wanted to shoot a quick intro because we did not get a chance to do one before heading out on this particular day of vacation. In this video, you'll see us taking a private tour. The company is called Halia Tours and the owner's name is Michael. He was absolutely amazing, so come along with us to a private tour. We're eating Leonards Bakery. The donuts are absolutely delicious. Alex, what do you think?
Yeah, really good.
How's the coffee?
It's thick. Coffee is amazing.
We asked what he recommended, and Alex got a caramel cold coffee. I got a macadamia nut one. And then the kids got pineapple juice. And our driver grabbed donuts for us on the way.
White one like that too.
That's pretty, isn't it?
I want a blue one.
You like the? He said he wants a blue one.
You want a blue one? We do actually have some blue flowers. We have this thing called a blue ginger that makes a really pretty leg. That's super rare. But we do have some blue flowers.
Our tour guide is absolutely amazing. Mia has a million questions, and he is telling her all about it. Wow. We're gonna take the shuttle up because it's a 3/4 mile walk. They said it's about a 30-minute walk up to the waterfall.
Did you see Moana? Things that look like cannonballs in the tree? When those things fall down
No, I know.
and they crack open, it's white on the inside, but as soon as they crack open, it turns blue. Like immediately because of oxygen. Turns blue like your shirt, like the fish on your shirt blue.
Wait a second. You find another rock.
What did you find?
What is it, Mia? Is it moss?
Oh,
Does it look like grass?
is
A cannonball.
Oh, very nice.
on this one
Orange
probably.
and brown. And that one.
Uh-huh.
And then if you see those first posters by the gift shop, those are the movies that they shot over here. Like Jumanji, Welcome to the Jungle, Journey to the Mysterious Island, is the jungle scene.
Okay.
So we just took the trolley ride. It's about a 3/4 of a mile walk. They said it would take about 30 minutes. So we went ahead and took the trolley. It was such a smooth ride. We were the only people on it. And it took us right up to the waterfall. So we are getting ready to see the waterfall. There it is, right after the trolley stop. We barely had to walk.
That's the water.
Pretty. We're gonna get a little bit closer. All right, we're walking along the path to get closer to the waterfall. There's a little store up here. There's also like a snack shop where the shuttle lets us off too. And you're allowed to swim at the waterfall. We're not gonna swim today, but it's an option. No. There's some people here teaching everybody about everything. He's looking. Watch out.
Why are you looking? What are you looking at?
I don't know.
Why is he not skipping around?
I think he's looking over there.
I see his foot. Is that so funny?
Hold on, come here. Look. Here he is.
No, don't.
Isn't he pretty?
Why is he looking at us? Why is he
You want to go and train now?
Aloha! We just ate lunch at these truck stands over here.
Why?
Not too far from where Giovanni's is. We decided to try this so that we could all have kind of what we were hungry for. I had tacos, and Mia helped with the rice, and then Alex had a cheeseburger, and Noah had a hot dog. Overall, the food was amazing. So highly recommend checking out.
My friends are too hot.
They were hot when they came out and then they cooled off.
Nope.
they,
They're still hot.
they were very fresh, weren't they? We are at the Dole Plantation. Are you excited for some ice cream? Mia, are you excited for some ice cream?
I want ice cream.
You want ice cream?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Other ice cream?
Yeah. We are getting on the train to tour the plantation. So the train is about a 45-minute wait. The kids were free because they were 3 years old. Adults are $13 each. There's also a botanical garden that you can look at on site. Looks really pretty to walk through. And they have a maze as well. So lots to do here. Our tour guide told us around noon it usually dies down and there's not as many people because people come either in the morning or they come over after lunch. So he said try to get here around noon, and that's the lowest crowds usually. Gentle. It's called the Pineapple Express.
Let's train now.
Birthplace of royal family members. Roughly translated, the name Wahua means place of lovely. It was believed the rumbling sound of thunderstorms common in this area were the voices of the ancestral gods, bringing offspring of divine rain. Today, Wahua is home to people of all backgrounds.
Is it yummy? What is that thing? A chicken. He's just hanging out.
Chicken.
Don't yell it. Don't yell at it.
Get away. Can't shoot the chicken. What's that?
Dinner ready to...
Mommy, we don't see cows.
We're inside the Dole Plantation store they have where you can buy Dole Whip over here and food and drinks. We just had the sipper cup and it was really good. And over here, here's the store. And there's all kinds of treats and souvenirs to choose from. Tons and tons and tons of stuff. This place is massive. They've got chocolate stuff over there. Little bracelets where you can have your name put on them. You okay, Noah? Cotton candy. Candy, wallets. Hold it on. You do? We have these little pineapple puppets. We'll probably be getting one of those. Maybe two. Chocolate covered macadamia nuts. Hold my hand. Oh, a gumball. Okay, let's keep looking. We'll come back.
I'm walking.
Oh my gosh, how cute are these? And these more batteries. They've got the little flower clip so you can put in your hair. Noah's loving it. Sorry. This is our tour service right here in the purple and black van. Our driver is Michael. He's the owner and he is absolutely amazing. Hi everyone. So we headed back to the room and kind of didn't take a nap, but like had some relaxation time where we just laid. You didn't fall asleep though.
We were watching the TV.
Yeah, we were just laying in bed watching TV, kind of chilling out for a while. And then around 6:30, we came down to the same place where our character dining breakfast was. What are we gonna do after we eat dinner?
Swimming!
We're gonna go swimming!
Yay! Hockey!
Yay! And tomorrow we have a cabana, so we'll be at the pool all day long too.
Yeah.
Are you excited? Woo! Little
Yeah.
Dinner with a view. At Olelo.
What?